Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential accounts and funding. Open a CDC investor account and finish KYC, then pick a licensed broker and transfer funds. Next, you scan companies for fundamentals. Look at P/E, revenue trends, and dividend yield, because valuation guides risk. Once done, set clear objectives. Short-term trade versus long-term investment, and determine position size as percentage of your portfolio. Make sure to note lot sizes and minimum tradable quantities before placing. You place the trade by choosing market or limit orders. Market for speed, limit for price control, because execution affects cost. Then enter quantity respecting PSX lot sizes and set a stop loss and profit target to manage risk. While the order executes, watch the order book and confirmation messages. Once filled, record fill price and fees. Make sure to adjust positions if volatility spikes and periodically reevaluate with charts, news, or broker alerts so you can react to changing market conditions. You complete the process by tracking settlement. PSX uses T+2, so verify that shares appear in your CDC account after 2 business days and reconcile the trade against broker statements and transaction fees. Next, update your portfolio allocation and record realized gains or losses for tax purposes. If something goes wrong, no confirmation, wrong quantity, or failed settlement, contact your broker immediately and escalate to the central depository company. Keep transaction ID and screenshot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.